Hello everyone, I hope you have completed exercise 16.1 and today we will discuss about some topics. So first topic is event. What is event? Any subset E of a sample space S is called an event. Suppose a sample space, suppose two coins are tossed. So sample space is equal to HH, HT, TH, TT. Okay, we have discussed this sample space in last exercise. So let A be the event of getting exactly one head. Exactly one head means either this case or this case. So HT or TH. So A is the event in which elements are HT and TH. If these two elements belongs to this sample space, so this is subset of this, so A is subset of S, so this is an event. In the similar way, B with the event of getting at least one head. At least one head means कम से कम एक head होना चाहिए, so we can take one head or both head. So HT, TH, HH and all the elements of B belongs to S, so that means B is the subset of S. Clear? Now what is occurrence of an event? Occurrence of an event. Suppose a coin is tossed two times, then what is sample space? Same HH, HT, TH, TT. Let A be the event of getting exactly one tail. Exactly one tail means either this or this case. In this both heads, in this both tails, and exactly one tail in these cases. So we can take A is equal to HT and TH. And these elements, these both elements belongs to S. So that means these outcomes belong to S. That means this event occurs. This event occur. If elements of any set doesn't belong to S, that means that event doesn't occur. Suppose for example, B be the event of getting more than two heads. More than two heads. In this case, in this sample space, there is no element which has more than two heads, so that means B doesn't occur. B doesn't occur. It means B event doesn't occur. Now types of events. So first, impossible events. Impossible event. The empty set phi is called an impossible event. Impossible why? For example, a die is thrown. S is the sample space of getting. S is the sample space. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If a die is thrown, then sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let A be the event of getting 8 or 7 or 9. So any element 7, 8, 9 is here? No. So that means A set is empty set. That means A set is empty set. A set has no element. So that means this is impossible event. This is called impossible event. Now sure event. What is sure event? The sample space is called sure event. What is the meaning of sure here? Let suppose a coin is tossed two times and A be the event of getting at most two heads. At most two heads. If a coin is tossed two times, then sample space will be HH, HT, TH, TT. Okay, and A be the event of getting at most two heads means maximum two heads. Maybe no head, maybe one head, maybe both heads. Okay, so these four cases. So A is here, A is equal to S, A is equal to S. So this is called sure event. This is called sure event. So what is next is simple event. What is simple event? If an event has only one sample point of a sample space. One sample point means suppose a die is thrown. S is sample space whose elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A is the event has element only 1. B has set B is the event in which element is 2. C is the event in which element is 3. D is the event in which element is 4. E is the event in which element is 5 and F is the event in which element is 6. So these all are called simple events. These are simple events because only one element of the one sample point of a sample space. These are called sample points. Okay, these are called sample points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are called sample points and only one sample point is in A set in only one sample point is in B event, so these are called simple events. Now what is compound event? If an event has more than one sample point, it is called compound event. Suppose same example I am taking, a die is thrown, then sample space is 1 2 3 4 5 6. A be the event of getting number less than 3, then 1 and 2 will come in this. Okay, then these are the more than one sample point, so these are two sample points here, so that means this is compound events. And B be the event in which elements are odd numbers. So these are three, so these are three sample points, so this is called compound event. Now we will talk about algebra of events. What is the meaning of algebra? Addition, subtraction. And in sets we have read about algebra, complement set, A union B, A intersection B. In the similar way, what is the algebra of events here? First is complementary event. What is complementary event? For every event A, there corresponds another event A complement. This is A complement symbol. You have read in sets. Okay, A complement called the complementary event of set event A. Suppose a die is thrown, then what is sample space? 1 2 3 4 5 6, and A be the event of getting odd number. A be the event of getting odd number. Then what will be A complement? A complement has elements which doesn't belong to A. So that means 1 3 5, leave 1 3 5, rest elements are 2 4 and 6. So A complement has element 2 4 6, and we can write in set builder form also. A complement is equal to X such that X belongs to S but X doesn't belong to A. जो ये X है, X are 2 4 6, these doesn't belong to A but these belong to S. So we can write here A complement is equal to S minus A. Okay, and now second is the event A or B. A or B means A union B, and we have read in the sets also. A or B means we will use here A or symbol for union. Okay, union. So suppose S is the sample space whose elements are HH, HT, TH, TT. A coin is tossed 2 times, then what is sample space? HH, HT, TH, TT. A be the event of getting both heads, so HH, and B be the event of getting exactly one head, so HT and TH. And what is A union B? A union B will be HH, HT, TH. That means A union B is equal to X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. It means अगर एक सेट में भी एक इवेंट में भी एलिमेंट है तो वो यूनियन में आ जाएगा. एंड वी हैव रेड दिस इन सेट्स ऑल्सो. ओके, in first chapter sets. Now come to next one is the event A and B. And means intersection. We are using intersection for and. So A is equal to, suppose A event has elements HH, HT, TH, HH, HT, TH, and B set has element HT and TH. A be the event of element A be the event of getting at least one head, and B be the event of getting exactly one head. So what is intersection? What are the common element in this? HH is here, HH is not here, so we will not take common. So HT here, HT, so we will take common, and TH and TH common. So A intersection B is HT and TH. Okay, now next, and this we can write in set builder form. A intersection B is equal to X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Okay, X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Now next is the event A but not B. A but not B means we can write A minus B. A minus B. I am taking same example here. Suppose A set has element HH, HT, TH, and B event has element HT, TH. A event has element HH, HT, TH and B event has element HT, TH. What will be A minus B? We will minus common elements. So HH is here, HH is not here, so we will take HH. And HT is here, HT is also here, so we will not take. And TH is here, TH is here, we will not take. So what is A minus B? HH. And we can write A minus B is equal to A intersection B complement. A intersection B complement. That means A minus number of common elements A intersection B. Okay, so we will take A minus B is equal to A intersection B complement. Or we can write A minus B is equal to X such that X belongs to A but X doesn't belong to B. Okay, now come to next. Mutually exclusive events. Mutually exclusive events. Events A and B are said to be mutually exclusive events when A intersection B is equal to phi. Here A and B are said to be mutually exclusive event when their intersection is equal to phi. इट मीन्स उन दोनों सेट में अगर कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है तो उनको क्या बोलते हैं? म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव इवेंट्स. सपोज अ डाई इज थ्रोन, देन व्हाट इज सैंपल स्पेस? 1 2 3 4 5 6 एंड A event has elements odd numbers 1 3 5 and B is the event of getting even number 2 4 6. Then what is common in these two? Nothing. So phi. So here A and B are mutually exclusive events. A and B are mutually exclusive events. Now, what are exhaustive events? Exhaustive events means if A and B are said to be exhaustive if A union B is equal to sample space. अगर उन दोनों का union sample space के equal है तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Exhaustive events. A die is thrown, then what is sample space? 1 2 3 4 5 6 and A be the event of getting odd number, B be the event of getting even number. Then what is A union B? All the elements of A and B will come in A union B. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and this is equal to sample space. This is equal to sample space because all the elements of sample space in here in this, so we will take as sample space. If A union B is equal to sample space, then these are called, here A and B are exhaustive events. A and B are exhaustive events. And if A intersection B is equal to phi and A union B is equal to sample space, so A and B are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events also. In this case, A and B are exhaustive events and mutually exclusive both.